everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to talk to you guys on the Access port. So this past month I've had the stage 1 tune that comes with the Access port. So this is a Cobb stage 1 tune, supposed to be a little better, and I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on it. So whoa, all right, my bad, that kind of threw me off, but yeah, back to it. So my thoughts on the Access port stage 1 tune is it really didn't do much. The peak boost, I was able to get it up a little higher to 17.7. Prior to that, the highest I had seen it go was 17.2, but normally it was usually around 17 psi. With the stage 1 tune, they advertised 18 psi, but I wasn't able to hit it within that month of driving around with the stage 1 tune. 17.7 was the best I got. Another thing that was noticeable that changed was the driving style of it. The throttle is a lot more responsive with the stage 1 tune, but other than that, there's no real noticeable significant amount of power gain with it. But one thing I did notice that is a big thing, and the reason why I took it off, was my car started to burn a lot of oil with that tune. I've had this car for a year now. I've never had to add oil to it or anything. I always do the regular oil service. Oil, I never really saw it go down. With this past month, I checked it right before I took it off. I had to add a full quart of oil in just 1 month of having that stage 1 tune, which is pretty significant if you ask me, from going to not having to add any to having to add a full quart in just 1 month. So that is the real reason why I took it off. If you guys have a better experience with the stage 1 tune, feel free to let me know in the comments. And yeah, I mean, I've owned the car for a year now. I've been driving it for a year. I never had to add oil to it until I went with the stage 1 tune, which is concerning. Like, you know, I know it's an E-tune, but I figured it was a Cobb E-tune, so I figured it would be reliable, since they work a lot with Subarus, but I guess not. But yeah, that was just my thoughts on the Cobb stage 1 tune. So yeah, let me know, maybe you guys have better experiences with it. But yeah, that was my experience with it, and the reason why I took it off is I mean, it's not like it was going any much faster than it was before. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.